Welcome to Exodus versus Avalanche Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Exodus and Avalanche Wallet, highlighting their features, target audiences, and helping you decide which wallet is right for you. Exodus is a popular software wallet known for its ease of use, supporting over 200 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins. Exodus is a great choice for both beginners and experienced users, thanks to its clean, intuitive interface and powerful features. It allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, and also includes a built-in exchange, so you can swap one crypto for another without leaving the wallet. Exodus also integrates with Trezor hardware wallets for enhanced security. It is a mobile and desktop wallet that's perfect for people who need a versatile, user-friendly platform for managing multiple assets in one place. However, since it's an online wallet, it may not be the best option for long-term storage of large amounts of crypto. Avalanche Wallet, on the other hand, is designed specifically for the Avalanche blockchain and its native AVAX token. It is a non-custodial wallet, meaning users retain full control of their private keys, and it supports Avalanche-based assets such as AVAX and other tokens built on the Avalanche C-chain. Unlike Exodus, which supports a variety of blockchains, Avalanche Wallet is more niche, focusing on the Avalanche ecosystem. The wallet is ideal for users who are actively involved in the Avalanche network, providing seamless access to Avalanche dApps, staking, and token transfers. It's best suited for those looking to interact with the Avalanche ecosystem specifically, rather than a multi-asset wallet like Exodus. In summary, Exodus is a versatile choice for those who need a multi-currency wallet with a user-friendly interface, while Avalanche Wallet is the go-to option for users focused on the Avalanche blockchain. If you're a general crypto user, Exodus might be a better fit, but if you're deeply invested in Avalanche, its wallet offers the best experience for that ecosystem. Check the description for more details and links to both wallets.